Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a hanging indent in Canva. Let's get into it. First, open your design and select your text. The first step is to open the project that has the words you want to change. You need to tell the computer which box of words needs the new look. Click on your project and wait for it to open on your screen. Use your mouse to click inside the text box that has your long sentences or lists for the task. You have to be inside the text area so the computer knows you are ready to change how the words sit on the page for your project. Next, find the indent button. You need to find the specific tool that moves your text over to the side. You're going to use the Increase Indent feature from the top toolbar. Look for the icon that has a few lines and a small arrow pointing to the right. This button is the fastest way to push your lines of text away from the edge of the box without having to use the spacebar many times. Next, move your lines over. Now you are going to move your text so it sits in the right spot for your list. Click the Increase Indent button once or twice. Watch as all the lines in your text box move together to the right side. By moving the text over, you are creating space for your bullet points or numbers. It is the first half of making your list look perfect. Next, adjust the first line. The final step is to make sure the first line stays where it belongs, while the rest of the lines stay tucked in. If you are making a list, add your bullet point or number to the start of the first line. The first line will stay on the left, while the other lines stay moved to the right. Now the first line sticks out and the other lines are moved in. Your hanging indent is finished and looks great. And that's it. To do a hanging indent in Canva, open your text, use the Increase Indent feature from the top toolbar, and adjust your lines to fit your list. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.